Hi, welcome back. Today, as you know, you've read the title already. I'm going to tell you the three habits that have helped me till date to keep my focus, be calm, and keep my mind healthy. As you all know, in 2020, I started my own dance school. Now, this dance school was started as a sole runner. So I actually took a huge risk of leaving my paid job, a secure job, and starting something of my own, which I loved a lot. It was an amazing journey with definitely a lot of challenges and a lot overwhelming because imagine suddenly you are the only person who is working, who is managing the finances, who is making all the decisions, all the responsibilities are on you, and expectations. Because you've left a job and started something of your own, people do expect a lot. In this process of building this dance school, I actually realized a very important change in me, which was not good. Definitely not. Because during this journey of building the dance school, streamlining the processes, managing the classes, I started burning out, training myself, overexerting, which started building a lot of stress. Now, definitely, this stress got over me so much that it started impacting my work. It made my mood very cranky. I always used to be irritated, never felt good about anything. And finally, it started impacting my classes. That was alarming, extremely alarming for me. That's the time when I told myself that, be real, you have to fix this. You need to get out of this. And so I started with this first habit that I'm going to share with you right now. The first habit that I started practicing, and I'm still doing it, is meditation. Uh, it does sound quite intimidating and at times very overwhelming because you've heard people saying that, you know, uh, make sure that you are locking yourself in a room, complete silence, no thoughts should come. I agree, definitely. That is something that you need to achieve with time. But to start with, you can go a bit slow, try something that actually, suits you as a person. But trust me, it works. You wouldn't believe, but within a week, that is 7 days, I felt a huge change in me as a person. I started liking myself and I was happy, I was more positive. So here's what I do. Very simple. Uh, I wake up, try to wake up early in the morning. Obviously, I'm not a perfect person, so yes, I aim to wake up by 7, but sometimes 7:30, 8. But as soon as I wake up, I have my morning coffee. After that, I sit in a room alone, which is three things: my phone, my earphones, and a floor mat or a yoga. I sit down on the floor, I plug in my earphones, I open my favorite app, music app. For me, it's YouTube or Spotify. I open that. I have a certain tracks that I prefer is listening to, which I'll definitely share with you. You can find it in the description below. I will also make a playlist and I'll share that with you all over here below in the description so that For a starter, it's easy for you to not, hunt down too many tracks. It's there, right there for you. So I pick up one track and I start listening to it. The only thing that I tell myself is that for this one track, I have to make sure that I do not distract myself. I try to come back if the thoughts are taking me somewhere. I make sure that I come back and I again start focusing on the music that is playing in my ears. Uh, Gradually, you can increase your duration from a 2 to 3 minute track to maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but do not rush. Take it slow. Try this for a week, and then gradually, if you feel that you can stretch it a bit, do it, or else stick to what you're doing. But it's going to give a lot of change in your daily routine. So make sure you do that. So the second habit that have been following, I've been following since I left my previous job that I was doing. I adapted it at that time. That is making a to-do list. We all, most of us have a habit of, noting down all the tasks that we want to do for the day. However, at times we write list down so many tasks that it is impossible to achieve them in a day. I have a solution for this. Pick up a diary or a notebook. So I usually have a diary. So it's mostly a refillable diary. So there's a notebook inside. This is the latest one that I bought for this year. I usually change after 2 years. I refill the journals. So something like this, or maybe any random notepad, or if you are not a old school writing person, there are applications on our smartphones which you can use. If you are an iPhone user, you can go for Notes. If you are a Google user, there are Keep Notes, and simultaneously even other models have their own note application. Once you have that, list down maximum 10 tasks, not more than that, in your notepad or your notebook, wherever you're writing it down. Once you're done with that, circle the top 3 priorities for that day. Write them down again and just refer to those 3 tasks for that day. Believe me, it is going to make your work more productive and efficient. Definitely. And trust me, sometimes you will have immense amount of time left once you're done with these 3 tasks. You can actually go back to your tasks, the 10 tasks that you wrote, and you can pick the next top 2 tasks to be completed on priority. However, again, take it slow. Go step by step. So try this habit and let me know how it works for you. Moving on to the last but not the least, the last but amazing and very again and a very effective practice that I've started doing. It's going for a walk, a 30-minute walk with yourself, no one with you, just you. If you like listening to music while you're walking, go for it, and try to go for a walk. Choose any time of the day. Some people prefer mornings. I prefer evening post dinner or before the dinner. You can choose any time. Start with a 30-minute walk. This habit actually helps me to channelize my thoughts, ideate, and plan my next day more efficiently. That's it for today. So, these are the three habits that have actually helped me to be a better person for myself, to, work on my mental health and my work. So, let me know if you tried it. Please tell me in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you really felt that this video was useful to you. Before I take a leave, stay tuned for my next video where I will be sharing the applications or certain platforms that I use along with the to-do list that I write, which help me align my tasks with my daily schedule. So, till then, भेटूया लवकर.